Hello, today I am going to do an unboxing of my Talula Farm veggie box. So because I am too lazy to think of what to buy to cook, I like it that every 2 weeks I will get a box, or at least I choose to have it every 2 weeks. I get a random box of whatever is in season, so this way it helps to also cut down on food wastage. Oh yes, so let's see what we have in the box today. Okay, so we have a bag here. Looks like I have, oh, what is this? Is this watercress? I'm not sure. Oh. Doesn't taste like watercress, I'm not sure. Okay. And there's also, okay, it looks like, I guess this is your bai cai. Oh, they do tell you on the WhatsApp what they're going to deliver, but I'm too lazy to check, and I like the surprise. Okay, oh! Okay, looks like very long capsicum. Alright. Okay, I didn't really think this through, but alright, here. I'll put this here. Okay, these are beetroots. One avocado. Yeah, so these vegetables are also pesticide free. Oh, what is this? I'm not sure. I think it's some sort of melon. Looks like I'll need to check the WhatsApp after all. Okay. So cute. It's very cute though. This is sweet potato. Apples. One more apple. Oh, blood oranges. So I have blood oranges. Okay. Oh, one more long capsicum. More apples. One more bag. Let me see what's in here. Oh, okay. We have mushrooms. This is, I guess, what is this? This the king oyster mushroom or something like that? King. Some mushroom. Okay, potatoes. More beetroot. More potato. Pineapple. It's very cute. Let me try to grow the pineapple from the crown. And finally, one cute broccoli. Okay, so I guess you guys know what I'll be eating this week. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's everybody.